What is adjustment of status for us work visas? Have you ever wondered how someone can transition from a temporary work visa to permanent residency in the United States? This process is known as adjustment of status. It allows individuals already in the U.S. on a work visa to apply for lawful permanent resident status, commonly referred to as a green card, without leaving the country. This is a significant step toward stability and the chance to eventually apply for U.S. citizenship. To qualify for adjustment of status while on a work visa, there are some key requirements. First, you must be physically present in the United States and have entered lawfully. This means you arrived through a recognized port of entry with the proper documentation. Second, you need an approved immigrant petition, which is often the Form I-140 filed by your employer for employment-based categories like employment-based second preference or employment-based third preference. Maintaining your current visa status is essential throughout this process. If you overstay or violate the terms of your visa, it can affect your eligibility. Additionally, you should not have any disqualifying criminal records or immigration violations. The adjustment of status process involves several steps. First, your employer may need to obtain a labor certification from the Department of Labor. This certification shows that there are no qualified U.S. workers available for the job. Next, your employer files the immigrant petition using Form I-140 to classify you under a specific employment-based category. Once that is approved, you will need to file Form I-485, which is the application to adjust status. This form is submitted to U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services along with supporting documents, such as proof of lawful status, medical exams, and applicable fees. After that, you will have a biometrics appointment where you will be fingerprinted and photographed to verify your identity. An interview with a U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services officer will follow. During this interview, the officer will review your application and ask questions about your background and eligibility. Finally, you will receive a decision on your application, usually within 12 to 24 months, depending on visa availability and the complexity of your case. While this process is underway, you can remain in the U.S. legally. If you apply for and receive an employment authorization document, you may also be eligible to work without needing a separate work permit. Your spouse and unmarried children under the age of 21 can be included in your application as well. However, challenges like processing delays, visa backlogs, or requests for additional evidence can arise. It is vital to stay in lawful status and prepare a complete, well-documented application to avoid complications. Consulting with an experienced immigration attorney can help you navigate these processes and improve your chances of success. For many Middle Eastern immigrants and others starting anew in America, adjustment of status is a vital step toward building a stable life. It enables them to stay with family, work legally, and gradually integrate into American society while their permanent residency is processed.